Hello friends, Nalinakshi Swami here. I always wanted to share you people something new actually. See how to identify whether to go long or not. For example, the market today gapped down and made a low, opened here, made a high and made a low. Now within 5 minutes candle, this was the thing happened. So made an high of 16,000, I think 16,320 and low of 16,250. Next 5 minutes, you can see 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes, the market started showing green candles. So you will be in confusion whether to go long or not. So you can see a candle over here making an higher high here. If you see the high of this candle, green candle, in a live market, it is a beautiful big candle like this. 1 minute. It will be like this bullish candle like this. So what you will do, seeing it is an higher high, immediately you will think, yeah, I should go long. It may cover the gap because it was a gap down, cover the gap and you will start going. You will try to go long, but it is not so. See the candle, it started coming down and closed over here. So you need to wait for the price action to see carefully one by one candle. See, when you start seeing this candle, and here you can see, I'll zoom it out. Here, this was the candle made an high, and this is an up candle, and this is also an up candle. So these are two higher highs, but this candle is showing a change in behavior. How higher high and lower high and lower low. Lower high and lower low. So let me reset the chart. So you can see this is the candle. It is a breaker count. I call it as a breaker because it has broken down this set of trend. And then when you see this breaker candle, mark the low and high of this candle, wait for another candle where it will go. So the next candle is a trap candle. It's a trap candle made, it covered this, engulfed this, bearish candle, made an high. It was a bullish candle. It is a trap candle, but closed below this opening price of this candle, 16,288. So you got the change in behavior of this candle and you got it, and then you are not going to go long in this structure. So you need to see for a put. Usually I selected an out of the money put because the market has fallen down from 16,500. I selected 16,500 put. So that you will be safe and you can trade in the 16,500 put. That is the other part of it. And market is coming down like that. But you do not know where it is going to stop. See, start making swing low, marking the swing low and swing high. So this was the swing high and this was the swing low, and after making the swing low, this was the swing high. Swing high and this was the swing low. See, after in this swing low, you are seeing immediately green candles and bullish engulfing candle. So you will confused and you will go for buying it. So it is going to reverse. No. Why? Because when you see carefully, the candles are making lower lows. There is no change in the behavior. And when it comes here, see, this is the swing high. Last bullish candle, swing high, and this is the penetration of the candle. And this is closing below that. So this is not the, there you are not going to go long over here, or you can hold the shorts. But when it started coming down, here in this region, you can see the change in behavior. See, this was the swing high. This was the swing high and started making low, lower low, but you can see the same pattern over there. When you saw in the starting, you are seeing a change in behavior. Swing higher low. So you are seeing a higher low. So you mark this level, mark the high and low of this candle and also this lower low. Lower low. So wait for this candle. See, in the next candle, opened here and made a low, but it didn't go past this. So this is when compared to this is a higher. So you are seeing the change in behavior and you can go long in the future. So this is it actually. Market is trying to change in its behavior. So keeping the stop loss, your stop loss will be very, very less. See, stop loss 16,152 is the low, and you can go long even in this candle itself, 173, keeping it as a 158, or otherwise you can, by knowing this change in the behavior, keeping this stop loss, you can enter over here. This is an aggressive entry, but if when you are seeing the change in behavior, you can enter over here. So I always used to think people trade in options also, intraday option buying. They do it because retail traders will not have much money to trade. They go for buying the option. So what you could have done is, I will show the same structure, and I applied 16,200 call option. I'll go to this and I'll show this. The same behavior you can notice over here in the 16,200 call option. At the same time, I'll come back to this, same time, it is 11:05 and 11:10. 11:10. I'll come back to the call option, same time, 11 o'clock, lower low, 11:05 and 11:10. So you could have entered. So I used to wonder, you see, you will have very problem in the option premium. So if you do not know where is the time for you to calculate, and it is nowadays it is algo trades. So fraction of a second the price will change. So it is very hard for the investors or the people who wants to buy the call option. They will buy at this price and it will dip down, and then they will cover their position by seeing the loss. And then, so this is not the thing. You can make a wise decision by seeing the Nifty chart, and also the same pattern is repeated. You can see the lower low and higher low, and retesting of this and not breaking this low. You can go anywhere. You can buy 220, even if you buy at 227, keep the stop loss of your stop loss is very low, 224 or 220, and you can write this. Suppose if you would have bought 100 or 200, some people they buy 1000 also, 1000 lots. See, from 224 to 268, 44 points. If you would have bought the call option around this exact price by seeing the behavior, I want you people to see the change in behavior like this and enter, not here, not this. People try to enter by seeing the green candle. No, because it is making lower low, lower low. This will not sustain. Here you can see the change in behavior, and also this is engulf. This is the bearish, this last bearish candle has been engulfed by this bullish candle. And if you would have entered here around 224, no need. You can hold your position. Hold your position until you see change in behavior. Okay, let us see whether there is a change in behavior over here. Yes. See, it made an high, higher high, lower high, and this is the lower low and lower high, and this is the area it has shown the change in behavior. This candle, this is the breaker candle, it has shown the change in behavior. Wait for the, see, at least you mark the body of the candle, mark the body of this candle, and wait for this area. You have to wait for this area, higher, mark this high, wait for this area and see for the price action. See, price, see, it's such a bullish candle. It's a trap actually. It's a trap. This is a breaker, but it is a trap. Trap, and then next candle, it started continuing its trend. See. This is the candle which showed the change in behavior. Suppose if you would have sold the call option, if you have money, you can sell the call option, or otherwise you can shift it to 16,500 put option. Then you can buy the 16,500 put option and you can make money. Both ways you could have made money today in Nifty option. So, and this is the way, carefully observe the price action, start marking the higher swings and see the change in behavior. Once you see the change in behavior, then you can go for call option or the put option, or also even in the Nifty also you can see the change in behavior over here. See, you can see the change in behavior. This is the candle which has shown change in behavior. It has shown the change in behavior. It made a lower high and lower low. This is the candle. This candle is very, very important. Once this candle is formed, wait for the price action, mark the high, mark this zone, and see the price action. When the price doesn't go past this level, then go short. Even you can go short in the Nifty futures. So I hope this this information will help you to take the better trades even in the call option, and you can make money in the call options also, or you can sell the futures or buy the futures, and you can make out where the change is going to come in the intraday.